how to fix PayPal money on hold. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix PayPal's money on hold or funds are unavailable or on hold. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Before you try to actually fix it, you have to understand why this happens in the first place. So PayPal may place a hold or restrict your account activity if they need a little more information from you about a transaction, your business, or your account activity. So some of the reason basically includes if you're a first-time seller, or if you haven't sold in a while, or multiple customers filed for a refund, dispute, or chargeback on your account, or your selling patterns appears unusual or changed, or if you're selling higher risk items. So higher risk items means that it can include tickets, gift cards, consumer electronics, computers, and travel packages. So the another thing you want to understand is that how long will PayPal hold your funds for. So your funds are actually usually held for up to 21 days. However, there are actually several things that you can do to expedite this timeline. So basically, in order to access your money sooner, assuming there are no issues with the order, you may be able to expedite the release of temporary and available funds sooner than the scheduled 21 days by taking these actions, which I'm going to explain to you. So first thing what you want to do is simply review the email that PayPal sends and the alert in your account overview. So basically, if you get any type of alert in your account overview section, you want to make sure to review those. You also want to make sure to prevent refunds, disputes, and chargeback, because that is one of the most creative reasons why this happens. The other thing is you also want to make sure to communicate and work with your customers, because when customers contact you, you have to do your best to be responsive and helpful. Last but not the least, you can set up a customer service message. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix PayPal money on hold, and the most important thing is why does this happen in the first place. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.